Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a website that pays you without any investment. This website pays you daily without investment. So let's dive in. First of all, let's sign up. You sign up, input your email. Put your password. Then sign up. Then head over to your email. Head over to your email. They mainly send the verification on the spam folder. So move over to your spam folder. This is it over here. Then copy your verification code. Copy your verification code 850. So we'll soon be registered successfully. Now we are registered. All you have to do is come over here. Now you have gotten $2 and the minimum withdrawal is $10. So you can be referring your friends to this website and also be earning as once. To earn, come over here. This is your referral link. This is your referral link. So when you refer, you earn commission whenever they use the website. The referral will automatically get 0.10 cents to 50 cents. There is no upper limit for the recommendation reward. So when you refer your friends, you also earn at once. So to earn from this website, all you have to do is copy the link. So I'll be using my Twitter account to promote this. So copy this link, or you can click on any social media here, copy it, and it opens the app. So you earn per click. Anybody that clicks on the link, you earn. Anybody that clicks on the link, you earn. So this is it over here. So I want to custom download the image. I want to make it look. I'm going to download the image. Download the image. I will download this image right here. So come over here. Just create something interesting that attracts people to click on it. You earn per click. Anybody that clicks on it, you earn in dollars. So I'm going to post it right now. Going to post it. Now it's posting. Now it has been posted successfully. So that's all you have to do. Coming to the wallet section, you can see over here the minimum withdrawal is 10 USDT and you have a transaction fee of 1 USD. So when you are withdrawing, you are withdrawing 11 USDT, not 10 USDT. So there are many. You have to own a crypto wallet. So as you can see over here, it's only accepting your TRC20. It is only accepting your TRC20 address, your USDT TRC20. So you can get that from Binance or any other wallets you have. So you can share this link on Facebook, Telegram, WhatsApp, Twitter to earn income with every single click. And the best way to earn on this platform is by simply referring people. Let's say 10 to 20 referrals will boost you up to the withdrawal amount. I'll be dropping the link in the description box and in the comment section also. Thanks for watching.